Let's talk about how a fire alarm system thinks. The panel reacts to conditions. Those conditions come from electrical signals and device data. Most technicians think in devices. Panels think in conditions. That difference is everything. The panel is watching circuits. It's not watching smoke detectors, pull stations, or modules. It is monitoring circuit conditions. Every circuit is always in one electrical state: normal, open, or short. The panel interprets what that state means. The panel classifies those states as normal, alarm, trouble, or supervisory. Same state, different meaning. A low resistance condition may look like a short on your meter. It can be an alarm, which is expected on something like a pull station or a heat detector zone. Or it can be a trouble, which would be a problem on your horn strobe circuit. The panel interprets it based on the design. Inputs are what the panel receives, conditions. Outputs are what the panel activates, actions. Everything is one or the other. Outputs are what the panel does: turn on NAC circuits, trip relays, or send signals. Outputs only happen after a condition changes. Technician mindset. This device caused the alarm. Panel reality, a condition was detected. In conventional system, the panel sees circuit condition. No device identity, you only see the zone. In addressable systems, the panel receives electrical signaling and device data. Device data may include device identity, such as the address, device status, analog values if supported on that alarm panel. The panel still responds to conditions: alarm, trouble, or supervisory. Addressable systems add information. They do not change how the panel decides to act. In our example, a pull station is activated. What the panel sees: circuit condition changes. Panel detects the change. Panel responds. Addressable, the panel also identifies the exact device. If you think in devices, you replace parts. If you think in conditions, you solve problems. A bad reading doesn't mean bad device. It means the circuit is reporting something. Your job is to interpret it. Next lessons will cover initiating circuits, end-of-line resistors, supervision. This is where the system starts making sense. The panel reacts to conditions. Addressable systems identify the source. Think in conditions, not components. Don't chase devices. Watch what the circuit is telling you.